Ask Miss Ellen. Tried to tap another one, you itching to scrap. You exposed your ghost right and now you wish you was scrapped. Heard ya, oh yeah, guess you needed a pad. What type of bum bitch you defriend over a rap? What type of mother leave a one son over a stack? Lil'